Now, quantum tunneling in real life. First, I say the background. I told you a very best information in simple language so you can remember for the very long time. Scientists observed that in some cases, like tunnel diode, emission of alpha particle from radioactive nuclei, the particle, suppose this is a particle and this is a potential barrier or a restriction. If the particle strike here, the particle not energy to overcome that barrier. They have not energy. Still, the scientists find the particle in that direction. How this is possible? This particle scientists found in that direction. How this is possible? Classical mechanism not possible to find the particle in this position. By classical mechanics not possible, but quantum mechanics give the answer. Quantum mechanics give the appropriate answer. According to the quantum mechanics, particles are strike here and they make the small hole or small tunnel so the particle can go from this side to this side. Understand? The particle continuously strike and make the hole or tunnel and they can go to the other side and cross the potential barrier. So the quantum mechanics successfully explain how quantum tunneling occur and how by using the quantum tunneling particle can cross the large potential barrier. Particle can cross the huge potential barrier and they go to the other side. I told you simple example. Emission of alpha particle by radioactive nuclei. In the radiation, we all know that there are three types of radiation: alpha particle, beta particle and gamma rays. Electrons, beta particles are electron, alpha particles are helium nuclei. Alpha particles are helium nuclei, so they have the positive charge. Listen carefully. Alpha particle has positive charge, and radioactive nucleus, we already know that nucleus has the positive charge. So between two positive charge of the alpha particle and positive charge of the nucleus, there is a strong repulsive force between them, between the nucleus of radioactive and between the alpha particle or helium nuclei. There is a strong force of repulsion, and in that case alpha particle not overcome that nucleus barrier, but alpha particle can make the tunnel, can make the hole in that nucleus barrier, and they can be emitted from the nucleus, and we can see the radioactive emission. So this is a simple. Similarly, in the tunnel diode, electron can make the tunnel and we can get the current. So the quantum mechanics give the appropriate answer how this is possible. Again, we can see the many mountains and there is a roads or railway track, huge mountain. There is created of the road or railway track in the huge mountain by using this tunneling effect. We see that. So in short, tunneling means making the hole or making the tunnel and go to the other side and cross the barrier by making the hole or tunnel. Share this simple information to the maximum students so they understand simply what is quantum tunneling in real life. What is the meaning of quantum tunneling in real life? Share. Thanks.